So yeah, we are starting with the contest now. Complete prime number. Still the pages are not accessible. Okay. Okay, every suffix and every prefix of the num is prime. First k digits of suffix. Okay, I'll just use the code which I already have to check the prime numbers. Two character array, then I'll check if okay, if this is false we can just say false, we don't need this flag, and then we have to reverse the string. Sp is equal to sb dot reverse, and then what we will do is we will do this same thing. I'll just place this character, then I'll check. Okay, so this should work. Only I'm just confused about that reverse part. False, false, and true. Okay, this should be true, right? true, false, and false. True, false, and true. Why it is false? Okay, I'll add a character, then I'll check. Okay, then again I'll add the character, and then again I'll check. And SP is now the reverse one, and again I'll check the SP. Looks good to me. (32 and 23). What is false then? Okay, so this is printed, which means that the problem lies over here. Three and 32. Okay. The prefix of 23 are 2 and 23, both are prime. Suffix. Okay, I can't just reverse the string. 3 and 2 3. Okay, I'll just need to start from the last. Okay, so I'll add 3 and then I'll add 2. Or I can do like this. New string builder from this nm, and then what I'll do is I'll add reverse on it. New string builder integer dot value of this thing dot reverse, or I'll just take it out. we got too late submitting the first one. You are given an integer array nums. For each element you may perform the following operation any number of times. A number is called a binary. Okay, increase the number by 1 or decrease the number by 1. Okay, we can do any number of time. Okay, binary palindrome. Okay, minimum number of operations required to convert nums I into a binary palindrome. Okay, 1 2 4 8. This, okay, for 1 let me write the binary forms. Okay, what if I find the numbers? Okay, I'll just find the numbers whose binary representation is palindrome, and then for each number I'll check which is the nearest number to this. I forgot the function name. Okay, to binary string. Okay, we have this. Instead I'll just build the binary representation. let's say I have built up to 15,000. Or maybe 10 raised to 8. Okay, I'll check which is the. Okay, then for each of the number I have to iterate. So I should make it 1e4 so that I can iterate. Okay, here it should be I 101 101. Okay, for 1 1 2 have a binary representation, so the difference should be 0. So here it will be 1. Okay, and this should be nums of I minus j, and that will give me the answer 0 1 1 1 0 3. Okay, maximize points after choosing key tasks. Maximize points after choosing key tasks. Okay, looks like some kind of greedy problem. Okay, you are given two integer arrays, technique 1 technique 2, each of length n. Okay, looks like a simple problem. We will take the, okay, first dump all the okay, case 2. So let's take the two minimum elements from technique 1, which will give us 7, and then what we are one, okay, one task is remaining. So from this take another one which is 3, so it would be 5 6 7 8 9 10. What we have to do is maximum, okay, maximum total points, maximum total points. So let's take the maximum ones, 5 5 and 10. We took the two using technique ones, so it is 15, and from the remaining let's take one, which is this. Okay, but we have already taken 5. Okay, interesting. So we are only left with this. Okay, interesting. Let's just draw. I'll just connect my OneNote. Okay, I'll just connect my writing pad with it so that we can just draw here. What happened to it? We just forget about this. We have 10. Okay, let's use this. We have 5, 2 and 10, and then we have 10, 3 and 8. Okay, and k equal to 2. We have to maximize something. We will always take the elements here, like from technique 1 we will always take a particular element if it is greater than this one. So this is something which we will surely do. So here 10, we will take 10. Then again we cannot take this because this is greater than this, and we cannot take this because this is again less than this. Okay, so we have k remaining is 1. Okay, so what will be our profit if we take this, and then from the remaining elements we will just take the maximum, or we will just skip every element. if I take someone, let's, okay, now I have to choose one element from these two. So which one I'll take? Let's say I take this. If I'll take this, I was having a chance of taking just one higher element. Okay, one higher element. But if I take this, I was having a chance, like if I skip this, I'll take an element which is 5 times greater, like plus 5 than this. Okay, so we will check. If we skip this element, like if we take this element, we compensate for an element, then can we get something which will have a bigger impact? Other techniques. Okay, so we have to check that. We have to choose key elements. I'll just get rid of all the values where this part is greater than this, so that our k condition will be always met. Okay, k condition will be always met. Then we will be remaining with 5 2 and 10 3. From this we have to take the decision. Okay, I do have a solution. Like, okay, first we will take all the technique ones which are greater than technique ones which are greater than technique 2. Okay, then let's say we are remaining with some k greater than 0, then we will just sort our respective elements based on their differences in ascending order, and then we will take the first remaining k elements, and then we will take the technique 2 elements. If k is equal to 0, then we will just take all these values which are greater, like among these two, technique 1 and technique 2's. Okay, we'll just code that solution. So will this be every time right? Yeah, it will always be right. Okay, so let's say t1 and t2, t1 and t2. Okay, then for the remaining ones I have to paste it in the list. Okay, and then what I'll do is I'll just iterate through the I'll just take T1 and T2. I'll add it in the list. Okay, I have the list ready with me, and then I'll just iterate. Okay, if I'm taking something, I should say k minus minus. If k is greater than 0, k is greater than 0, then I'll take the p dot a. I'll take it in the answer. I'll do k minus minus. Else what I'll do is I'll take max of what? P dot A or P dot B. Okay, I'll take whichever is the bigger one, and it will be obviously the P dot B. But okay, let's place this condition. Okay, we have this thing sorted with us, and then we will just return the answer. O1, O2. 22, 60 and 15. We just code in one go. Okay, we just coded it in one go, which is interesting. Interesting. Okay.